So you make it so hard to leave. So hard. Conditioners. When do you use them? What are they for? Can you wash your hair with them? Hint, hint. No. Hey y'all, my name is Dasha. I'm also known as the Hair Dealer, and today we are talking about rinse out conditioners. Yes, the kind that you put in your hair and then you rinse down the drain. Hopefully after you detangle, you rinse it down the drain, because they're supposed to help you out a little bit more before they get, But let's jump right to it, okay? What do conditioners do? After you've used your shampoo, which has helped to open up the cuticles on your hair strand. The cuticles on your hair strand, they're open, right? They're open. And the gunk has come out, the shampoo's got in there, it's done its thing, and then the water has gone in there, and hydrated everything. Your conditioner is then gonna take those cuticles and go and help them to close. Conditioners seal the hydration in. What? I thought oils did that. No, oils don't do it. Conditioners seal the hydration in. Conditioners have a lower pH than shampoos, if I remember correctly. And so that is what helps to return your cuticles to that more closed position. They do have butters and oils formulated into them. So if you've listened to my videos and you've interpreted that butters and oils are bad, period, that's not true. Again, butters and oils are great when they are properly formulated into a product. So yes, your conditioner will have butters and oils in them, as well as humectants. And humectants attract water, they draw in water. And then conditioners will also have an emulsifier. So an emulsifier is something that's going to help everything mix together. So because conditioners have water and oils and butters together, as we know, water and oil don't mix. But an emulsifier helps to keep them together so that they're not like separating and like being gunky and weird, in the bottle or when you're trying to use it on your hair. So an emulsifier helps to bring everything together. So it's all friends, it's all cohesive, it's all one, okay? Because you are shampooing your hair on wash day, and that helps to open up your cuticles on your hair strand, you need to be using a conditioner every single wash day, okay? Every time you shampoo your hair, you need to be using a conditioner to, again, seal that hydration in. So it does not have to be a deep conditioner. It just needs to be some type of conditioner. It can just be a rinse out conditioner, and that's it. Also, something that's really, really important about your conditioner, one of the main functions of a conditioner, especially for us curly girls, is making sure that your conditioner has slip. So if your conditioner is not slippery enough for you, then you may want to consider finding another conditioner. While you're conditioning or deep conditioning, that is the time where you are going to thoroughly detangle your hair. And so you want to make sure that you are not experiencing excessive breakage or damage because you've got a conditioner that does not have enough slip for you. So you want to make sure when you're picking a conditioner that it's got the kind of slip that you need to detangle. And remember, during the conditioning stage, we talked about this in another video, I'll link it for you. But remember, in the conditioning stage, we also want to make sure that we are using water during that phase. We're using lots of water, lots of conditioner to help with the slip, to help the product really, really activate and work in our hair, and to make sure that our hair is getting all that hydration as it's then getting sealed in with the conditioner. So don't be afraid of water while you're conditioning, girl. Use it. It's your friend. It's there to help you, okay? What are some rinse out conditioners that are recommended by curl specialists? I know you want to know. O-Y-I, is that pronounced O-Y-I-N or Oyin? I'm assuming O-Y-I-N since it's all caps. So the O-Y-I-N honey hemp, O-Y-I-N handmade honey hemp is a great conditioner. The AG hair care boost conditioner is a great conditioner. You can find that at like Ulta. That's where I always see it. I always see it at Ulta. There's also the Curl Junkie Curl Assurance shampoo that you can use. That one's harder to find. I don't think you can find that one in stores though. So that would be one that you would have to order online. If you are like me, you probably are not an online person. I'd be like, it's my product and I want it now. But some people actually have patience. go for it. Anyways, my name is Dasha. I'm also known as the Hair Doula. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, comment down below. If it has not, comment down below and let me know what I need to be doing better. Okay? I want to know. I want to know. Yes, like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more. I will be continuing to talk about many product related things, many natural hair related things, and other things as well. Anyways, I love you. I'll see you soon.